there, little brainiacs. Welcome to Kool Kreative Mingle. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and join our community.
The sun hung heavy over the endless stretch of golden grassland. Zeb, a young zebra with bold, black stripes and a curious mind, trotted anxiously near the edge of his herd. He had heard distant thunder beyond the acacia trees, though the sky was cloudless, an omen, he suspected, but had no words to explain. Suddenly, from behind a bush burst Ozzy, the ostrich, all legs and feathers, his long neck waving like a flag in distress. Ozzy was infamous on the savannah for his boundless energy and tendency to run headlong into trouble. Zeb braced himself as the frantic bird skidded to a stop. "Did you hear that rumbling?" Ozzy panted, wide-eyed. "I think it's the lions. Or maybe the humans. Or worse, maybe thunder has learned to walk." Zeb hesitated. His instincts told him to stick to the herd, but Ozzy's drama was impossible to ignore. Instead, he voiced what had been bothering him. "No, I don't think it's thunder. I saw a cloud of dust moving, maybe a herd, or something bigger." Determined, Ozzy declared, "We have to investigate. If it's danger, we warn everyone. If it's a party, we join." Their odd partnership had always intrigued the savannah's other dwellers. Zeb, cautious and observant. Ozzy, impulsive and quick. Together, they edged nearer to the mysterious rumble. The savannah was alive with sounds, grasshoppers clicking, wildebeests calling, jackals barking somewhere distant. As they moved, Zeb's keen eyes caught flashes of color, a flock of flamingos making a rare low run. The dust cloud grew, and the ground vibrated under their hooves and talons. Ozzy suddenly squawked, "Maybe it's a stampede." He started to back away, but curiosity overpowered fear. Closer now, Zeb and Ozzy crouched behind a termite mound and peered out. The source revealed itself, not lions, nor humans, but a massive herd of elephants moving together across the plains. Their march shook the earth, and calves flapped their ears in the midday heat. Zeb marveled at their unity. "Look how they all move together. No one leaves another behind." Suddenly, a young elephant calf wandered too close to a snarl of thornbush and trumpeted in alarm. The matriarch turned and, in a single commanding gesture, nudged the little one back with her trunk. The herd waited, unhurried, patient. Ozzy, moved by this, said softly, "Maybe thunder does walk, it walks slowly, and waits for its friends."